Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Excited to show you the new updates to our mobile app. Heading into the menu, you'll notice View Quotations. So in this, we allow you to view all your quotes from the TTS system, as well as make some changes or updates that I'll show you right now. So you notice I don't have anything on the screen. It's because I don't have any quotations that fall in the filter range. So filter range is 2.2 to 2.9 the past week. So let's go in to our filters and make some changes here. I'll go back a couple months. And you'll also notice below that we have all our filters. So outside salesperson, inside salesperson. In the red, amount selected. You see, because I have myself chosen. All these filters are the same as the ones you'd find on the desktop web-based app. At the top, we have standard and lighting quotes, so we can filter based on that. If I only want to see standard or lighting, we can uncheck those. The view selected, so I could see that I only have myself selected in that case. So let's apply filter. And now on the home screen, we have everything that falls within that date range and those filters. So it's going to be my quotations for the past year plus. We can sort. So if I want to sort by quote date, we just tap on quote date and it'll sort by that. Ascending and descending. Customer name, quote name, and also I can search within this screen. So by clicking on the search, Steve Draws, for instance, I can click on quote name because this is a quote customer name, and I can type in the word draws, and you'll see instantly without having to press enter, it'll show you all the Steve Draws. So within that, there's a couple things to note. Notice the first one, we have a little light bulb that's designating a lighting quote. Here's a standard quote right below it. And we have a couple things we can do. We can interact with these quotes on here. So let's pick one that has a couple more line items. So clicking right on the body, it'll bring me into the quote. And first thing we'll note, quote status, by is in blue. I can actually change that from the app and change it to 1. By the way, the colors will change for certain statuses. Subquote status, we have that we can add. Lost price, we're engaged, we can change that. And we can also work on some of the line items. So you'll notice we see product, quantity, and price extension. If we click that down arrow, it'll give us the remaining items on that line item. And in the upper right corner, since we did make some changes, or if we've made some changes, we can go in here, we can click save. We can also email the contacts for this quote, or we can edit internal notes. So you can edit internal notes from within the quote, or let's go back. And I can click on the by, still waiting, or any of the statuses, not the body, and it will bring me to quote notes. So here we can see if I had quote notes, they would be showing at the top. We can change our status again, same as within the quote. Very similar to how, or exactly how it works, internal notes on the desktop web-based application. So if I want to enter a quote note, we can type it in. We can use the speaker button, microphone button, I should say, on the app. This is an internal note. So I enter that, and I can also type and edit as we would. The up arrow will move it to the existing notes section. I can save to recaps, change status for all, again, like the internal notes, and then I want to save this. And it brings me back to the main screen. And that's Quotations within the mobile app. Allows you to edit some things. Won't let you add a new quote. You can always go to the TTS web view if you need the full access to TTS. And there you have it, an easy way on the road to edit quotes, view quotes, email contacts, and do some things from there. So thanks again for watching, and if you have any questions and you want us to answer them in a YouTube video like this one, just send an email to askttstoday@tradetechsolutions.com, and we'll see you in the next video. So long.